Dear colleagues, it's a big pleasure for me to show you how it's possible to break down the wall of solution-based chemistry. Green synthesis of silver nanoparticles is a topic which is very well researched these days. The principle is in the production of extract by using various biological organisms and combining it with silver nitrate solution, and we end up with silver nanoparticles with various shapes and sizes. However, this process has some disadvantages. So at first it's multi-step one. We need usually higher temperature, and in case of some biological organisms like lichens, their reducing species are insoluble in water. In another story of traditional chemistry, PVC waste is usually incinerated. However, toxic dioxins are formed, TCDD being the most important representative, and Ukrainian President Yushchenko was actually poisoned exactly by this compound. In the classical inorganic synthesis of nanoparticles, the authors usually use organic precursors, or at least they use organic solvents, and it's also a multi-step process, and usually higher temperatures are necessary, so we end up with the same disadvantages as shown before. This all can be really nicely targeted by using solid-state approach called mechanochemistry, applying tools of ball milling. In the case of silver nanoparticles, it's possible to directly include the biological organism into the milling chamber together with silver nitrate powder, or we can also do it with eggshell membrane or Origanum vulgare plant, and at the end we have composite from silver nanoparticles and residual matrix, which usually has antibacterial activity. So it's one-step process, solvent-free, the products are quite stable, and it's possible also in the case where it was not possible in the traditional synthesis. The other examples of mechanochemistry are, for example, dechlorination of PVC waste, where we can also take another waste, eggshell, which is source of calcium, and this calcium reacts with chlorine to form calcium chloride, which is harmless compound, and this has also been proven to be working with the industrial waste, which is window parapet. The dechlorination was almost complete. In solvent-free synthesis of nanomaterials, it's possible just to directly mill powders together, and we get in one step the final product. Mechanochemistry can be applied in various different fields, and this is my message: how to break down the wall of solution-based chemistry using mechanochemistry.